Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're reviewing a household favorite, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum NV360. If you've been searching for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-handle vacuum cleaner that doesn't break the bank, this model might be exactly what your home needs. The Shark NV360 stands out for its liftaway technology, which allows you to detach the canister with the press of a button and clean hard-to-reach areas like stairs, furniture, or tight corners. This makes it feel like two vacuums in one, an upright for deep carpets and a portable canister for above-floor cleaning. Powered by a 1200W motor, this vacuum delivers strong, consistent suction that lifts dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The HEPA filter and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ideal for anyone who suffers from allergies or asthma. You can finally breathe easier knowing your home is truly clean. The large-capacity dust cup means fewer trips to the trash, letting you vacuum large areas without interruption. Plus, the swivel steering makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, corners, and tight spots, perfect for busy households with pets or kids. You'll also get essential attachments, a crevice tool for narrow spaces and an upholstery tool for furniture, curtains, and car interiors. Together, they turn this vacuum into a full multi-surface cleaning system. Maintenance is hassle-free, the filters are washable and reusable, and the clear dustbin lets you see exactly when it's time to empty. The NV360 also operates quietly compared to most uprights in its price range, offering a smooth cleaning experience without disturbing the whole household. From rugs to hardwood floors to upholstery, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 delivers powerful, versatile cleaning performance with the durability Shark is known for. It's an excellent pick for families, pet owners, and anyone wanting professional results at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse for daily tech and home gear reviews, and check the link below to grab yours today on Amazon.